Hi, welcome to my EPIK Daejeon apartment. So here we have my shoe area, and then here we also have a shoe closet. It's a little messy, but it's small place. I live in a shoebox, so it worked. This is my kitchen. So here we have some more storage. I have a microwave, and then I made this into a little pantry. And then this is my desk of a kitchen. It's practical because I cook sometimes and I don't cook too extravagant. So here we have some storage, and then some more storage for kitchen stuff, and then I put my cleaning stuff here. We have a sink. I bought an air fryer. If you're living alone, I promise you have an air fryer. It's a miracle worker. I use it to bake, I use it to grill, I use it to fry, I use it for everything. And then here I have 2 burners. Here I have a washer slash dryer. The dryer's So I usually just use a washer and then I hang my clothes. Then over here, we have a fridge, and isn't this so nice? I love how it's like built into the wall and it's very modern. It doesn't stick out too much and it just blends in really well. I actually have food in it this time, which is kind of a rare sight because usually I eat sometimes at home and then sometimes out. And then down here, we have a freezer. Follow me to the living room. So, my apartment style is an office style, so basically it's just a big room with little different shapes. So here is my living room slash bedroom. We have a coffee table. I bought this rug, and then this is a couch. And what's the great thing about this couch? It also folds out into like a bed, kind of like a futon, and it's actually really comfortable. I have like my bookshelf, and I have some of the books are right here, but most of them are in my closet, and my favorite artists, and just some Korean poems. I got this tapestry just to kind of tie the place together because I just really love traveling and the world, so I really wanted this to represent like who I am. And then I have my 2 plants. Basically, my school has forced me to become a plant mom. It's not bad. Surprisingly, they aren't dead because I am a plant killer. This is my bed. It's a full-size bed, and we have 3 drawers at the bottom that can hold clothes. I have this blind here, but I didn't really like this blind, so usually I have this up, and I use this curtain, which is a blackout curtain, which helps a lot because I live in the city, so the lights are just really bright, and also the sun rises right in my direction. So the blackout curtains are really nice, and real blackout curtains are kind of harder for me to find and pretty expensive. I don't need it pitch dark, but it needs to be a little bit dark. But what's nice about having the blackout curtains is I can block out the city light and then turn on all the lights I have in my room, which makes it really small and cozy. I don't use my TV because it's just more comfortable for me to use my iPad or my laptop, but just in case if I have friends over, I pull it out and it's just in the corner. My apartment didn't come with a TV, so I had to ask my school to get a TV, so it doesn't really have a place. It just sits at the side of my couch. And then here we have a closet. The thing is, I do love clothes, and I have a lot of clothes. It just looks like I have more than I have because this closet's so small. I hate the cutout of this closet, but we're making it work. So it's kind of deep in the back, but this only goes in one direction rather than 2. And at the top, I use for storage for like hats or towels. And then I use this for like other clothes and masks. If this was one big closet, I feel like it'd be more practical, but it's not, so we just have to make do. So this wall says happy birthday. 2 years ago, it was my friend's birthday, and I just thought this wall looked really good, and I just never took it down. And I thought if I took the happy birthday down, here would just be empty, and I was too lazy to get these to put up there. And I was just like, why not? I have a birthday once a year, so I can take a picture in front of this wall. Happy birthday. I wasn't too picky about which city I wanted to live in Korea. I was fine with anyone, but I just wanted to practice Korean more and be better. But the one thing I wanted in an apartment was a shower. A real shower. Wet rooms aren't bad, but I personally don't like my toilet near my shower water. I just think it's gross. Let me show you the bathroom. So this is my bathroom. I really like it because it's actually rather spacious, and the shower is pretty big, and it's a real shower. So I am pretty satisfied and pretty happy. I think this bathroom size and space is perfect, especially for one person. It's a lot of space. I wish it had a little bit more storage. Here we have a mirror. I'm just gonna show you a snippet because it is really messy. I think the bathroom is the best part, and the view. The view really makes this apartment really nice. So this video is definitely long overdue, but I just wanted to hope that if some teachers were coming to Daejeon and were curious of what an EPIK apartment looks like, that you can see mine. Mine is more on the modern side, so it's rather new and it's pretty nice. But yeah, I hope you like this video, and if you want to see more content about Daejeon, please check out our channel because we'll show you all the fun and exciting things in Daejeon. Okay, bye!